Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator. So guys, if you're looking to improve the security of your various accounts, it doesn't matter what that is, say a YouTube or Twitch or whatever you have, maybe some Instagram or something, and you wish to set up some very reliable two-factor authentication, this app is great, although I've heard that it's going to be discontinued soon, so yeah. I'm not sure if you want to continue using this one, but in general, guys, basically how this works. So just let us download. I already did. Let us now launch the app and I'll show you. So you can sign in with Microsoft or you may not. It's not really required. If you want to sign in, you'll have a better sync. Let's skip it. So just add your account, add it. You just add the other account, for example, or if you want to use your Microsoft, you can use it, but in my case, let me just add my Google account in here. Okay guys, and after that, you need to make sure to log in into your Google account. So let me just type in Google account. And guys, just follow my steps. Now just go to your Google accounts, log in. And in here, you need to go to the security. All right, so I have signed in. And now guys, as you can see, under the second steps, we have Authenticator. Right, so this is what we need. Just click on it, and this will allow us to connect our Authenticator app. In our case, it's the Microsoft Authenticator, and set up Authenticator. And now you just need to scan your QR code with your phone. If you don't have the camera or something, or maybe it's broken or don't have access to it, just press on Can't Scan It, and you'll be given a setup key. And also you will be able to do this without the QR code. So basically, we just copy this code right here. You go back to your phone, insert the secret key and your account name in here. So this account name is going to be your email, right? So your email address. Just type it in here. And after that, just press on finish. And when you go back into your accounts, right, which is going to be right over here, you'll have your email, and next to it, you will have your temporary password that you can use to log in if you need. Enjoy guys, that's how it's done. If this helps, like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.